So here I would like to show you what happened. All my work is being destroyed. If you can check the glaze, it's completely gone. So it didn't set. I keep it in the lamp around a half an hour. Then I put on the sunlight for 2-3 hours and it's been sticky. It didn't go. So I bought some cheap resin, this one. I do not recommend this one. That's what happened to this. It's destroyed all my work. So recently I got the different resin. Today later on I will be trying the new one. I seen it, somebody made really nice reviews on YouTube about those. J Diction, yeah. So I will be trying later on this resin, and I really have a hope then this one is gonna work. Okay, how I mentioned, I start glazing with this new product which everybody is so happy on the social media. And I have to say, then I did not finish my glazing, and glaze is completely hard. I took 2 items to make dry test how it works, and I didn't open lamp even. My brush is completely hard and it's just stuck. I have a full station ready for that. That's good, and I didn't start to glazing the other ones. So I don't know what is the solution, because this is my second resin, UV resin. First one didn't set at all, and this one just set doing my glazing. I even didn't finish glazing one charm, and that's it. Oh, my friend came back from the walk. Good morning, Speedy. Hello, kitty kitty. Come here. Come here, say meow. No, come here. Speedy. Let's check. She been for a morning walk. Hello. Come. No, come. No, come. Yes, you're so sweet. Where are you? Hello. Where are you going? I know the resin is stronger and keep for longer and it doesn't go yellow, but so far I am really happy with just gloss varnish from Sculpt and Sculpt. Yeah, and they never let me down. I think it's a fantastic product, and if you know any good UV resin, if you know in UK available, because it's really hard to get good resin in UK. Like I hear then Mr. Resin is good, but you cannot buy it here around. I think it's American, not in UK. So if you know anything good which you already try by yourself, please let me know. I would be happy to try it. Thank you. And this is my lunch. for today. Crispy salmon avocado rolls. Oh, and this is washing machine. Finished washing. So avocado, and there is dry onion crisps. Alright, and I will show you something more. Those are cookies made by my daughter. They are kind of slightly overdone, I would say it. They smell fantastic, but they gone.